Welcome back to Frugal Solutions Hub. Today we're uncovering the fascinating ways the Amish community prepares for and thrives during harsh winters. Their methods are simple, cost-effective, and worth learning from. Let's get started. First, Amish homes are designed for maximum insulation. They use thick, handcrafted wooden walls, double-pane windows, and quilts to keep the cold out. Instead of relying on modern heating systems, wood-burning stoves are their primary heat source, providing warmth and efficiency. Next, food storage is key. The Amish rely on canning, pickling, and preserving food during the warmer months. Root cellars are used to store vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and onions, keeping them fresh throughout the winter without refrigeration. Community support plays a big role. Families come together to prepare quilts, candles, and firewood before winter hits. They also share resources, ensuring no one is left behind. When it comes to clothing, the Amish keep it simple but effective. They layer thick, handmade garments made from wool and cotton to stay warm, even in freezing temperatures. From sustainable heating to self-sufficient food storage, the Amish show us that simple, frugal solutions can make a big difference during winter. So which of these tips could you try this winter? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Frugal Solutions Hub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more frugal living tips. Stay warm and see you next time.